If, as a business owner who uses WhatsApp to sell your products and your services or your skill, and you have ever told yourself that you don't know what to post on a particular day, then this particular video is for you. I know that sometimes you want to post on your WhatsApp status, but you don't know what to post. You're literally racking your brain and thinking, what am I going to post today? Okay, the other day I posted my product picture, I posted memes, oh, I even introduced myself the other day. Which other thing can I post? Which other special thing can I post? Like something I've not posted before. You are thinking of something unique, something fresh that you can post. Then this video is for you because I'm going to give you over 10 WhatsApp status ideas that you can start posting now, and which will in turn give you the views you want and eventually make them buy from you. Now, mind you, I have done the part one. Like I have done a video where I listed out the first 10 or 12 WhatsApp status ideas that you can post on your WhatsApp. Then I have come again to give you more. Yes, because I care about you. Now, do you know the most interesting part? It is the fact that all these WhatsApp status ideas were gotten from my ebook, The Ultimate WhatsApp Status Magnet, which is one of the powerful ebooks in my WhatsApp Sales Growth Bundle. Now, in this WhatsApp Sales Growth Bundle, it has 10 plus resources and tools that will help you as a business owner sell with clarity, sell with confidence, with structure, and with intentionality. Now, if you're a business owner who wants to move from struggling to making consistent sales on WhatsApp, who want to literally grow your business and turn your WhatsApp into a money making system with ease, then this particular bundle is for you. You can check it out. Check the first pinned comment in this video, or you check the description box for the link to access it so you can check it out and see if it is what you really want for yourself. Now, I would advise you check it out because you can get it for half the price, because in no time the price can be increased. Without wasting time, we are going to dive right in. And as I did before, I am going to read straight out of the ebook. So let us go over to where we stopped and go and pick out 10 more ideas, 10 more WhatsApp status ideas that you can post on your WhatsApp status, okay? The first one is for you to share old memories of your brand. So this is like a throwback, not just for yourself, but for your brand. Where were you 2 years ago? Where were you 3 years ago, 5 years ago even? Show us. Share the memory. Could it be that few years ago your packaging was, a bit different until you decided to repackage and rebrand, and now you came up with this awesome improved design? You know that the logo you used to use before is not the logo you used to use now. How about to show us the logo you used to use before? Let us see that there is growth in your brand. Let us see the difference. Let us notice that yes, this is a growing brand. This brand has been through it. You have literally grown because you are there. You been there serving people, serving your customers. Oh, before, how were you when you started? Did you have just 20 customers, or were you making only two sales per week? But now we know that you are serving over 100 customers in just 1 week. Like in 1 week, you are delivering 100 orders. In 1 week, you are delivering 50 orders. Share the old memories. Where were you before? Share the memories. Tell us stories about that. Okay? So that is the first point. Moving on to the second one. So the second one says, thank your audience for something like their patronage. So what are you grateful for? Like, thank your audience for something. It could be for their patronage. It could be for their, sticking with you through thick and thin. Some of them are considerate, some of them are loyal to your brand. Can you thank them for that? Show appreciation. Tell them that you are really appreciative, that you are grateful, that you see their efforts, you see what they do, you see that how they stand by you. You see how they refer people to you. You notice it. Please show them that you notice. Thank them, okay? They appreciate you. In Igbo, they will say, Ekele onye akịrị, ya ọgwọta ọzọ. Meaning that when you are grateful, you attract more to you when you are grateful, when you are appreciative, because someone will see that yes, this person knows how to appreciate someone. Let me do more. It will prompt someone to do more when they see that you are appreciative, that you are grateful for the little they have done for you. So moving on without wasting time, let's go to the third one, which is to let people know interesting stories and facts about your brand. What is that interesting thing about your brand? Tell us. Did you start your brand in your lowest state ever? Perhaps you were just tired of being broke. You were tired of being poor and you wanted something. You wanted to just bridge the gap in the market and provide solutions for people and at the same time make money for yourself. Perhaps you started your brand when you were depressed. That is an interesting thing about your brand. Tell us. Could it be that your target audience are rich people who want luxury? Like those are the people you are willing to satisfy. Those are the people you are willing to sell to. You are not available to service or to sell to people that are not rich, that don't have the type of money you're looking for. Is an interesting fact about your brand. You can tell us, okay? Or is it that you established your brand because you wanted to satisfy people who don't have so much? Like you wanted it to be affordable for the average Nigerian. Like you are maybe selling a particular product so that you can be able to satisfy the average Nigerian who doesn't have much. What is that interesting thing about your brand? Share it on your WhatsApp status. So moving on to the next one, it says share or rather tell stories of how you started your journey plus the lessons you've learned. So the lessons you learned in this journey that you've taken, in this thing that you've decided to do. Maybe that you're someone that likes parfait and you're always making parfait for yourself. You make parfait and then you take it to your office and then your colleagues will have a taste of that parfait and they'll be like, wow, this is so good. You are an expert in this, so like you know how to do this. Guy, Dave, are you sure you will not start selling parfait? Are you sure you will not? You sure, Dave, start doing it. We are going to patronize you. We are going to buy. You are so good. This is I feel like I go finish this food for you. Please start making parfait for us. We'll buy. Just like that, your journey started. And maybe the next day you now decided, or the weekend, you decided to go to the market, stock up, buy things, ingredients for parfait, and then on Monday, the following Monday, you came to the office with at least five parfait and you sold all, or with 10 cups of parfait and you sold all. And before you know it, that is how your journey started. That is how you became a parfait vendor. That is an interesting way, or let's say a story, or that is how your journey started. Tell us, and what are the lessons you learned along the way in this journey that you undertook? What did you learn? Did you learn that making money is easy? Tell us. Yes, because there's some people that believe that making money is not easy. They believe that you need to sweat, you need to hustle before you make money. But making money is just like you providing solutions. When you bridge the gap in the market, when you know that this is a problem and you are solving that problem, you're literally making money. When you bridge that market, when you identify a problem in the market and you provide a solution for that problem, you will make money. So these are the lessons you've learned. Which lessons did you learn that food business is one business that will fetch you money because people will always and must always eat. What are those lessons you learned or that you are learning? These are things you can share on your WhatsApp status. The next thing you can share are instant tips that your followers might find useful depending on your industry. So, what are those things you think they will find useful? Instant tips. Perhaps you are a hair vendor and you sell hair. You can give them a tip about how to maintain their hair. Okay, you can tell them that you see pixie coils. If you want to maintain it, just use conditioner and water. Put it in a spray bottle and shake it well. Mix the both, shake it well, and then spray it on your pixie coil, and you're good to go. And it will retain that shine, and it will look beautiful and all that. That's just how you can use, and that's how you can maintain that pixie coil. Give them instant tips. Do you sell spices online? You can give your viewers instant tips on how to preserve those spices, to ensure that they last longer without changing taste or color. So these are things you can share on your WhatsApp status. So moving on, let's go to the next one, which is for you to share your brand story. Now, this will help you differentiate your brand from competitors, build customer loyalty, and establish trust when you share your brand story. I'm going to start by sharing my own brand story. So 2 years ago, as I always start, I sold skincare products on WhatsApp, I think about 4 or 5 years ago. Skincare products are supposed to make you money, tons of money, because I mean, these are things women want. They want something that they will use and then they will look more beautiful. Their skin will glow and all. These are things they need so that they can use and clear their skin issues like hyperpigmentation, acne, dark spots, so that it will boost their confidence and all that. So I'm supposed to make money, right? But I didn't know what I was doing online. Truth be told, I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know the best way to sell out. I didn't know the best way to use WhatsApp to make money. I didn't know how the best way to use WhatsApp to promote my business so that people will understand the solution, the value I'm giving, and in turn give me their money for that thing that I'm offering, right? I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know how to scale my business. I didn't know how to promote. I didn't know what to post on my WhatsApp status. So it left me depressed and broke. So that's what made me seek for solution. And eventually I came up with one, which made me develop this bond, the WhatsApp Sales Growth Bond, that will help business owners grow their business with ease using WhatsApp. It will literally help you sell with structure, clarity, confidence, intentionality on WhatsApp. So if it is what you want to check out, then check the description box or the first pinned comment for you to see the link that you can use to check it out and see if it is what you want. But if you're a business person and you're using WhatsApp to sell, and you don't want to be like me, who had something that who had a business that could give her tons of money, but I didn't know how to go about it. I didn't know how to communicate this value. Then I highly suggest you get the bundle. As I put down here, I said it will help differentiate your brand from your competitors. Yes, your brand story differentiates you from your competitors, and it will help you build customer loyalty and establish trust. So moving on to the next one, share a sneak peek of a new product or service that you'll be launching soon. So if you want to launch a new product line, a new service, give a sneak peek. What is it all about? You can just show us the products in black and white. You can do a short video, a sneak peek. Just go and find out how to do that and then share it on your WhatsApp status for those that want to introduce a new product or service. The last but not the least, I said share customer success stories. So share success stories from your customers on your WhatsApp status to showcase the impact of your products or services. So basically what you have to do here is to share your customers' success stories. What are their wins? Share those success stories. Is it that they bought your product and they used it, perhaps a skincare product, and it cleared their blemishes in just 3 weeks? These are their wins. Share it. Now, when you do this, it will increase your credibility. Like people will be able to trust you. They'll know that your product, it does truly work. They will be able to trust your brand. They'll be able to trust your product. What is it that you did a service for your customer and it turned out beautiful, like she loved what you did? Could it be that you are a CV writer and you wrote a CV for your client, and your client used this CV to secure a high paying job in a big company? That is your customer's win. She got that win because of your service as a seat that you offered her or him. Now share this your customers win. So that is it, my intentional business owners. And as I said earlier, these WhatsApp status ideas were literally lifted from my ebook, The Ultimate WhatsApp Status Magnet. It was lifted from one of the chapters in this ebook. So the other chapters has information that you can consume that will literally help you magnet people to your WhatsApp status. Like it will make your people view your WhatsApp status. And as a business owner, your WhatsApp status is one major place you post your product pictures, where you promote your business and all. So you always want eyes to be there. You want people to always view your WhatsApp status, right? Because when you post things, you want people to see it so that they can be able to buy. So this ebook will literally help you magnet their attention. It will literally help you increase attention, increase sales, increase leads. And as I said, this ebook is one of the ebook or one of the resources in the WhatsApp Sales Growth Bundle that has over 10 plus resources and tools to help you move from struggling to selling out consistently on WhatsApp. That will literally help you grow your business with ease on WhatsApp and help you sell with structure, clarity, intentionality, and confidence. If you're interested in checking it out, then go to the description box and click the link you find there. You can also go to the first pinned comment in this particular video. Now we have come to the end of this video. If you found this video interesting or even valuable, can you please subscribe to this channel and also like and leave a comment? I would love to hear from you. I would love to hear your questions and your opinions. Which one are you going to try out first? Which one are you going to post first? Please tell me in the comment section. And most importantly, subscribe to this channel if you are an intentional business owner. Till I see you in the next video. Take care.